smile like it fits, but it never sticks. My chest goes quiet and my mind won't quit. I count every word like a crack in glass. You look at me like I might come back. Nothing I feel feels small enough. Everything's sharp, everything's rough. I keep it neat, keep it in line, but under my ribs there's borrowed time. Nothing personal, everything matters. We're just walking around with borrowed patterns. Nothing personal, everything matters. I hold it too tight, then I let it shatter. The room gets loud inside my head. I leave it all half spoken instead. Your name hits hard like a door that slams. I don't know if I'm lost or just who I am. Nothing I show shows all of me. I wear my calm like a make-believe. You ask me why I disappear. I say I'm fine, but I don't mean near. Nothing personal, everything matters. We're just walking around with borrowed patterns. Nothing personal, everything matters. I hold it too tight, then I let it shatter. If I go numb, don't call it cold. I'm just a house with a locked up soul. One little touch, one honest line could split the dark right down the spine.